making vadilappam. The things that you will need are a baking pan, a bowl, a pan, a steamer, 3 well-beaten eggs, 3 tablespoons of condensed milk, 1 cup of coconut milk, however many buttered cashews you want, ghee, cardamom powder, and half a cup of jaggery sugar. First, you're going to want to beat your eggs and your cardamom powder on 3. Let's add your condensed milk and your coconut milk. And beat on low. Now you're going to add 3/4 of your jaggery sugar. And set aside a little. And mix it on low. Now you're going to add the rest of your jaggery powder in a pan with some hot water and stir until dissolved. Now you're going to take your ghee and grease the pan. Make sure to get the edges as well because we don't want it to burn. Add your water and jaggery mixture into the pan. Like so. Now add some hot water to your steamer so you can steam up your vadilappam. Now take your pan and put it in the steamer so it can steam up for 30 to 40 minutes. Here's the finished vadilappam. Let's try it. Yum, it tastes so good. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button if you want more fun and cool videos. Bye.